Hey, welcome in. I'm Leishi. Welcome to my garden, Empress Delight Gardens. Okay, so we're here today getting started. So, over here, just some leaves that I piled up. I had to clean out the garden and get everything orderly. And I decided to put together another little garden bed. Let me get my selfie stick right. So, this is another little bed that I'll be working with um, come this spring. I just threw some leaves, some cardboard, some old soil that I had, some compost, and that's about it. Okay. But over here is my garden. Hopefully, you all can see everything well. Okay. Let's see. All right. So, as you can see, everything is raw. I got this Vival Sun water bag last summer, I believe. Okay. But this is what I'm working with. I have the 3 long beds there. Then I have 4 of the circular beds, my little greenhouse. And I use this space to let things trellis, okay? But this is what we're working with. And I have a little area over here, some grow bags that I like to use. But like I said, everything is raw. So hopefully you all will join me along this journey. Hopefully this looks like a whole different space, okay? Okay, so we're here today getting started with some seed starter, okay? I'm trying to save some money, so I used some of the soil that I already had. I sifted through it as best as possible, okay? As you can see behind, that's the soil. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 beautiful cups that have the drainage at the bottom. I went ahead and threw some soil in there. And I'm going to go ahead and add some of this potting mix. And today we're going to be dropping some seeds for some sunflowers. Got some beefsteak tomatoes. And I know you all are saying it's early, but from my experience, it's like you need to start doing things early. I've got some Roma tomatoes. Those are like my favorite. I'm also starting some peppers because I'm just noticing for me, it would be better for me to start now because my plants seem to do way better going towards the end. And I'm just trying to figure some things out, okay? So I'm also gonna sow some strawberries because I had a hard time with these over the years. So I'm just trying to just test my luck a little bit. So that's what's going on here today, all right? Okay, and I wanted to use bigger cups. I have some other seedling trays I'm going to show you all, but I wanted to use bigger cups so I don't have to transplant anything, okay? So I'm just doing like so, okay? I'm going to fill those up. And we're starting brand new, okay, guys? Everything is raw. My garden, when I say raw, it means all my beds, they don't have anything in them. I uprooted everything. I'm in the process of like fertilizing and just getting my beds together. We're gonna be dropping some seeds for some sunflowers. Got some beefsteak tomatoes. And I know you all are saying it's early, but from my experience, it's like you need to start doing things early. I've got some Roma tomatoes. Those are like my favorite. I'm also starting some peppers because I'm just noticing for me, it would be better for me to start now because my plants seem to do way better going towards the end. And I'm just trying to figure some things out, okay? So I'm also gonna sow some strawberries because I had a hard time with these over the years. So I'm just trying to just test my luck a little bit. So that's what's going on here today, all right? There we go, right? So what I usually do is I water everything first. And I don't have my water with me, so hold on, guys. Okay, we're back. Just want to water those really well. Then we'll stick the seeds in. Like. Alright. So I'm going to do 2 in each. Alright, so I just drop them on top of there. So I got 3 hot peppers. Alright, and these are some seeds that I collected from my previous pepper plants. I let them go to seed. Well, you know, the peppers already have the seeds all inside of them. So we got the colorful bell peppers. Those are what those seeds look like. I'll be planting 3 of those. And sometime if they pop up, a few of them, I just take the little seedlings out and I'll transplant them. Okay. But those are the bell peppers. And like I said, I just have an inclination to get a head start. Alright. So then I think we'll, hold on. These are the beefsteak. And I got these ones like, there we go. Press them in a little bit. Okay, so I'll most likely take these up in the house and cover them and put them in a nice warm place until we see some growth, right? Okay. Okay. It gets messy being me, but hey. These are my little greenhouses. I just got these a couple of days ago. And I'm gonna see how they work. Got the little lights. My little room here.